Hello and welcome to my channel. We're going to approach this for people that are true beginners and wanting to make a change in their lives and improve their health. Maybe you want to have more mobility, maybe you want to lose some weight, maybe you want to do both for health reasons and just want a better, more active life. First, I want to say we have all been there. Everyone has had their first day in wanting to make a change. We all have gone out and rushed to buy that gym membership and hit the gym, lifting weights, walking on the treadmill, and using the machines, only to get very sore and not really sure of what we are doing and if it's really working. You're not alone, and we will do this together. We are going to start this slow and get you started the right way and turn this into a life-changing moment. Give me a little bit of trust and faith and I can make this very simple and easy for you and get you to where you have the confidence in knowing what you're doing without the complicated information out there around fitness, health, and nutrition. This is for all beginners. This will work for you regardless of your age. The first thing we need to do is get into the correct mindset and attitude. Be happy and positive about the fact that you came up with this idea in your own head to make yourself a better, healthier, more active version. That doing exercise is not a negative that you have to do, but something that makes you feel better about yourself and proves to yourself that you're capable of doing it. Over the years, I have seen many people coming into the gym to get into shape for the first time. They look nervous and almost a little scared. Remember, everyone in that gym had a first day. Everyone in that gym did not know what they were doing on day one. But also remember, the guys like me that have been going to the gym for years see you come in and want to know what our first thoughts are. We're happy to see you in there. We want to see you succeed. We are wanting to see you through your transformation and would be very surprised to know that every one of those gym rats in there would be more than happy to give you advice, help, or encouragement. But what we're going to do first does not require a gym membership at all. In fact, if you never want to get a gym membership, you don't have to in order to make this work for you. I will cover all this in the upcoming videos. But the first step I really need you to do is create a positive attitude towards your fitness and health. Do not think about how hard this is going to be, because it isn't going to be hard. Do not think about your past attempts. They will hold you back. This is a new day and we are going to approach it together. Just remember, you're not alone and you got this. This is a good thing. There's nothing negative about this at all. In upcoming videos, we also talk about diet. I know, that word automatically makes your body cringe and gives you negative feelings. Don't worry. We are going to talk about diet in a different way and approach it in a different way, a very realistic way. When we talk about diet here, it is just about what you are eating. Like, my diet is specific to my body's needs to match my workouts and goals. But diet does not mean you have to eat nothing but salads and very low calories. You might be surprised to know that my diet makes me tired of eating and is more like work for me. I'm not a bodybuilder, but I'm still eating around 3,000 calories per day. But for you, we are going to approach this so you really are not going to be hungry and you are still losing weight. And in the process, you will get healthier. So now, hopefully you feel a little bit better about that word diet. What I'm trying to help you do is remove negative emotions, or these negative gut reactions to the fitness, nutrition, and health area, so we can approach this together with an open mind and with a positive mindset. The number one ingredient in this formula is you. If you don't put yourself in this mindset, this formula will not work. You have to prepare yourself that you are in this to win this time, and we are going to do this together. Think about what we have talked about today and get yourself ready and prepare yourself for that first day of a new you. So what I'd like you to do is start now. And it's very simple. You're trying to create a habit, a 3-day to 4-day a week habit. That's all I'm asking, is minimum 3 days. And what you're going to try to do, and if you need to work up to it, that's totally fine. But try to get 15,000 steps in per day. 3, preferably 4 times a week. And you don't have to do it all at once. You can do this throughout the day, but just keep track of those steps. My phone tracks it for me, so then I always know how many steps I've taken. So it doesn't all have to be at one time, but you can do this in about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour. You can get about 15,000 steps. And that little extra, you will be very surprised after 2-3 weeks of how much of a change it's had on your body. So try that first, and then for the next video we'll check in with each other and see how you're doing. Stay around for the next video, and please like and subscribe. I'm new here and would greatly appreciate your support. See you for our next video and our next step together in our journey. Stay safe and stay positive. Thank you for watching.